I'm reporting live from M-Town Boulevard, where the big drop is about to happen. The street is packed with BMW M models. Most of the owners even spent the night here. They slept in their cars. Nobody wants to miss out.
Hi guys, I'm Shmee, and right now I'm in M-Town, and you won't believe what's going on. The drop that we've all been waiting to see is about to happen.
Guys, you won't believe it, I've finally made it to M-Town for the awesome drop that we've all been waiting for. Today is the day.